Hello Dnation and welcome back to yet another review and comparison episode. In today's episode we're going to be reviewing a pullback trike manufactured by Akrobo, and let's just see if this model will match up with a 1/12 scale collectible, and I'm going to be showing you the comparison between these two. So stay tuned and let's get this started. Well, let's begin by taking a look at the packaging, and as you can see, this diecast trike got delivered in a plastic see-through wrap and there is nothing much to it. So let's go ahead and crack this thing open, and please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these diecast collectibles away from children below the age of 5, as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get this opened. Well, this is a premium 132 scale diecast replica of a trike manufactured by a local company called Akrobo. When this trike is also known as an all-terrain vehicle which blurs the line between power, design and style like never before. So let's take a look at this one-of-a-kind trike bike, and I'm making this video to show you how you can mix and match diecast models of the same scale and sizes for your display, or even mix and match for your diecast collection photography. So let's go ahead and take a look at this trike. Well, at first glance this trike looks quite premium and has a good build quality to it, and also has quite a bit of detailing, and this model is manufactured mostly of high grade ABS plastic, which makes it premium looking. This model measures in at 6 inches in length, 3 inches in height, 3 inches in width, and weighs in at about 191 grams. This model also comes with trademark paint apps with standard branding details, and also has free rolling wheels, excellent suspension, and a lot more intricate details, which makes it a premium collectible and functional as well. I'm happy that I made a choice to get this variation, and I hope that I'll be able to add this to my ever-growing 1/12 scale diecast collection. And with this licensed model, you're guaranteed a replica which is built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist. And so, with that being said, this is the licensed 1/12 scale Honda CBR 1000RR, which measures in at 7 inches in length, 4 inches in height, 2 inches in width, and weighs in at about 130 grams. This model also comes with a Honda trademark paint apps with standard branding details, and also has free rolling wheels, a kickstand, excellent suspension, and a lot more intricate details, which makes it a premium collectible and functional as well. And this was an assembly kit build that I did not too long ago. I'll drop a link in the description below so you can check out the build if you missed it. And now let's make a side-by-side comparison of these two premium models. Well, as you can see, the signature color scheme is prominent between these two models, and so is the branding. And as we discussed earlier, the length of these two models are almost the same, and with a little variation in height. But the major difference is with the width, where the trike is 1.5 inches wider and 61 grams heavier than the Honda CBR motorcycle. But that's normal considering the fact that the trike has a chunkier and a wider body at one end, and with the additional wheel, and besides that the scale comparison seems to be spot on and they almost match up. So I guess we can throw this into the 1/12 scale collection. And this model should blend right in. And so with that being said, and as I mentioned earlier, this trike comes with a pullback mechanism and also comes with sounds and lights, which I'm really excited to check out. So let's go ahead and take a look at its functionality. And kindly find further features and specifications regarding this premium diecast model in the description below. everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with this premium Trike motorcycle. And so with that being said, let's place this diecast model on the Dnation turntable and take a look at this beauty in a 360-degree view. This model is available in 4 color variations, which is blue, green, red and orange, and on order a random color will be sent to you. And as you can see, I've received the red variation, which looks quite good. Now as we take a look at this 3-wheel beauty, here are a few fun facts. A pullback motor is a simple clockwork motor used in toy cars and bikes. A patent for them was granted to Bertrand Fred Francis in 1952 as a keyless clockwork motor. Pulling the toy backwards winds up an internal spiral spring, a flat spiral rather than a helical coil spring. When released, the toy is propelled forward by the spring. When the spring is unwound and the toy is moving, the motor is disengaged by a clutch or a ratchet, and the toy then rolls freely onward. Often the clutch mechanism is geared so that the pullback distance needed to wind the spring is less than the distance the spring is engaged propelling forward. And for further information on this topic, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this Trike bike that was featured in today's video, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested, and also please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts on this Trike as well as this Honda CBR. Kindly continue to support Dnation by liking and sharing our content as we race towards our 500 subscriber mark, and stay tuned for a lot more fun stuff coming up. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this topic, please do drop a comment below, and stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.